Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add shipping for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is click on e-commerce and click here on Manage Store. In Manage Store, you want to click on Shipping and Pickup, and you get like shipping and pickup in zones. First, when you get the zones, you can add the country here and change everything. So shipping and pickup. Okay, so add shipping. We get like show how you ship your goods, local other carriers. Let's name it like FedEx. Setup. Now you get like flat rate, custom rate, or free shipping. You can set up free shipping. And this is like shipping name at the checkout, same at finish. Nice. And then you can like also add another one. Nice. You can go like flat rate, amount, €5. You can also like shipping region, and this is the region we have in our zones, so we can choose it. Europe, save and finish, and voila, you got it. This is like another shipping method, and this is how you can do it, and this is how you can add shipping methods in Duda. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.